Understanding, fell off the wagon. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're exploring a phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversations. Fell off the wagon. This idiom is not only interesting but also packed with cultural and historical significance. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this phrase. The phrase, fell off the wagon, is used to describe someone who has given up on trying to abstain from a bad habit, typically drinking alcohol, after a period of abstinence. It implies a lapse or failure in one's attempt to maintain self-control or stick to a commitment of avoiding certain addictive behaviors. For example, if someone who has been sober for a period of time starts drinking again, they are said to have fallen off the wagon. Understanding the historical context of idioms can be incredibly enlightening. The term, on the wagon, originated in the late 19th to early 20th century. It is believed to have come from the U.S., where prisoners who had sworn off alcohol while incarcerated were said to be on the water wagon, referring to the wagon that sprayed water to settle dust on the streets. Thus, being on the wagon meant one was drinking water instead of alcohol. Conversely, to fall off the wagon meant to resume drinking alcohol, symbolizing a return to old habits. To help you better understand how to use fell off the wagon in everyday conversation, here are a few examples. After 6 months of dieting, I fell off the wagon and had a slice of cake. He had been sober for a year, but unfortunately, he fell off the wagon over the holidays. I'm trying not to buy any more books until I read the ones I have, but I fell off the wagon when I passed by the bookstore today. These examples show that while the phrase often refers to alcohol, it can also be applied to any situation where someone fails to stick to a commitment or goal. The phrase, fell off the wagon, is deeply rooted in English-speaking cultures, particularly in the context of conversations about addiction and recovery. It's important to use this phrase with sensitivity and understanding, recognizing the struggles and challenges people face when dealing with addiction. The idiom also reflects the broader human experience of striving for self-improvement and the difficulties encountered along that journey. We hope this exploration of the phrase, fell off the wagon, has been enlightening and adds a valuable tool to your English language arsenal. Whether you're a language learner, a teacher, or simply a lover of words, understanding the nuances and stories behind idioms like this one can enrich your communication and cultural comprehension. Remember, language learning is a journey. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.